Guys, part 2, uwian time na. Parang babalik na rin kayong upload guys kasi yung part 1 yung hindi napapanood kasi maaga ko siya naka-upload. Baka yung pagpalitin ko na lang siya. Bye Kap! Uy! See you Kap! Ang kulit talaga ng security guard namin na yun. So yun guys, usapang purpose. Actually, sometimes I question my purpose, no? Kasi while doing that purpose, you get tired in the middle. Sometimes you get burnt out. Nakaka-drain din naman kasi yung yung process, but yun nga it's when we draw strength from ourselves, di talaga sapat, very insufficient. So yun, katulad ngayon guys, actually kakagising ko lang, nakaiglip ako sa opisina. Sobrang draining ng araw ko ngayon guys. Full load ako, tapos may after school pa. Actually madami nagrereklamo sa mga contracts nila kasi may mga nadagdagan. Isa ako dun sa mga nadagdagan ng loads. Nadagdagan ako ng 2 hours of teaching load. And di kasi ako makareklamo. Yung nagagrumble ako minsan kasi nakakapagod naman talaga. Pero to the point na magrereklamo ako sa management, di ako kasi ganun Ako si Boy Tiis. So yun, sometimes I question my purpose na is it still worth it doing it? Well, that's how I make a living, so I don't have a choice but to do it. Pero you have to look beyond that. Na yung katulad nga yung sinasabi ko kanina, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father in heaven. So yun ang pinapaalala ko lagi sa sarili ko na yes, I may get tired, but my happiness is if they give glory to my Father in heaven. Yun naman talaga So the more you serve, actually the more you get energized. Nakakapagod siya, yes, but the joy is still there. Sometimes it's not happy. Sometimes I may grumble in my heart. Pero it's a good works. It's what ano ba yun? I don't know how to say it, but that's the prerequisite of doing the good works. You have to be willing, and you have to be willing to get tired. Kasi it's not work if you don't get tired, right? It's like going to a store, buying something and not paying. That's the yun ang hinahanap pala na word guys. That's the price that we pay for the good works, our energy. That's why we get tired, diba? So that they may see our good works and give glory to our Father in heaven. How good is that, right? Ngayon, actually kanina parang sabog na ako, lutang na ako, gusto ko na lang umiglip. Pero nung ni-remind ko yung sarili ko, yes, it's the prerequisite, and that's the result of working. You get tired physically, and it's biblical. Even Jesus got tired. There are many times in the scripture na he rested. I am a little bit recharged, a little bit relieved, reminding myself na that's the price that I had to pay for other people to see my good works and give glory to my Father in heaven. And story time pala, kanina may sinabi sa akin yung HR, kasi madami nga nagrereklamo, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, na madami nagrereklamo sa mga workload nila, kaya mga nagre-review sila ng mga contracts. Ilang loads lang ba per week ang nakasulat sa contract, mga ganyan. And sabi ng school director namin is, si Mark, bakit kaya walang reklamo? Si Mark, bakit hindi naman siya nagre-review ng contract? Wala naman ako naririnig na complaint galing sa kanya. Nagka-grumble ako, pero I still do the work. And sometimes it's necessary for you to do the work so that they may see your good works. And it's not just the work, it's the good work. I make sure that yung work ko is quality, para hindi yung sinasabi na half-assed yung mga gawa ko. Ayoko nung nasasabihin ako ng ganun, guys. Di baling sabihin na lang na hindi ko ginawa yun kesa I half-ass it. Kasi ako naman, kung gusto kong gawin, gagawin ko eh. Pero kung ayaw ko talagang gawin, ko yan, isasantabi ko siya until malapit na yung deadline, so that I get to do it na full attention ko nandun. So, usapang purpose, guys. That's my purpose in life. I want everyone to see my good works, so that they get to give the glory to my Father who is in heaven. So yan, malapit na pala tayo sa bahay, guys. And I'm still contemplating if I still can go to the gym and play basketball. I've been playing basketball for 4 days na this week, and I don't think the day is today that I get to rest. I want to play kasi pag naglalaro din ako ng basketball, grabing relief din yung nangyayari sa akin. Para siyang stress reliever. Sinabi ko na to sa vlog ko kahapon actually. Hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo kasi hindi ko nasalpak yung microphone. Stress reliever siya, but sometimes cause din siya ng stress pag mga alam mo na yung mga kampi mo and yung mga kalaban mo nananakit na, diba? Pero I see to it na I still play the game with integrity. Minsan pag di naman ako yung sobrang clean maglaro, minsan nalalala din ako ng emotion ko, nakakasakit ako, pero it's part of the game. Oh, Piamani popcorn. So guys, whatever your end goal is, make sure it is backed up by a purpose. Kasi hindi naman pwede yung end goal mo na end goal lang. Dapat you know your how, but most importantly, you know the why. Why are you doing it? And who you are doing it for. That's the most important part. So that they may see your good works and give the glory to your Father who is in heaven. I can't stress that enough. That's the only way of living that I know. That I know now. Bukas pa ba? I want something cold na may inom. So guys, medyo ano lang tayo saglit. Chama now, Kap. Chama now. Chama now, Kap. The best sila dito, guys. Although medyo mabagal sila magtimpla, pero sulit naman and mura. 20 lang siya. Pero ako alam ko may 20 pa ako na sukli. So yun guys, yun, I pray na the rest of the year is bago pa mag succeed yung mga months. January pa lang, oh. Nakita niyo password ko. January pa lang dapat you're finding your purpose na. Ayan, scroll lang muna tayo. Gabi to. Terence Romeo. Lupit. Yan. Sabi sa inyo medyo matagal sila dito. Muntik na tumagal eh.นะมี3 ถุงครับขอบคุณครับไม่ต้องครับไม่ต้องนะจ้ะขอบคุณครับนี่ guys, may ice lemon tea tayo, 20 lang, 20 baht. Ayun guys, so medyo hindi ako makapagsalita doon. Baka sabihin ni ate, baliw ako, nagsasalita ako mag-isa. So guys, find your purpose. January pa lang. And sana mahanap niyo yung purpose niyo para kada umaga na hindi kayo grumbling magtrabaho. You know why you are doing it, who are you doing it for. So yan, ang daming aso dito sa amin. Ay, hindi ko alam kung bakit biglang dumami aso dito sa amin eh. Ayun oh. Dati naman di ganito kadami aso dito eh. Minsan hinahabol pa nga ako. Mga baliw. So yun guys, I'm home. Nasaan yung aso ko makulit? Damruay! Kasi yung aso ko. Damruay! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ayan na! Ha? Ha? Wait lang nga, papasok na ako. So ayun guys, ang daming nakasabit na jersey. Dito ako nagpapatuyo para hindi mamaho sa taas. So yun guys, na ano na, episode 4 pala. Find your purpose guys. Usapang purpose to. So yun, Toyang signing out. Kita kits. Ano lang pala, every weekdays lang to. And baka special vlogs ang i-upload ko ng mga weekends. So yun lang, kita kits on Monday. Actually, makikita nyo bukas may mga upload ako. Mag-upload ako ng ibang vlogs na hindi ko pa na-edit. Edit ko mamayang gabi. Peace.